y'all, welcome back to another video. And we got two capsules to open here. We're gonna open one. Hold on, I gotta find the strip. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and open both of them. I got no perfect strip for both of them. So we got a pretzel and that, I forgot what that's called. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. First of all, our first one, we got another duplicate right off the bat. We got it off bad. I don't know how many times I had got this one. I don't know. Ugh. I got a tropical punch. I don't know if this is new or what you call it. I think that's the duplicate though. The whole pizza just flew. Okay, let's see. Yep, this is a duplicate. This is the cheese pizza. I think the Overpop's a duplicate though. Ooh, what's it here? Y'all, I think this is new. We're gonna put this to the side just in case if it's new. Okay. Next, we got some singles, some more cheese. So that's the duplicate. Alright, next. This might be milk, y'all. Oh no, it's juice. We got another, well, we got a new one. I'm about to say another duplicate, is it a one? Alright. Next, we have a dupe. It's the broccoli florets. I don't think we have original. We have this, but I think that's old though. I mean, duplicate. Oh, this is kind of tiny. We have a tiny Hershey's. I think that's new. Next, milk. I just said the other one was milk, bro. And I got milk, a duplicate. We have 3 left. Let's make these count. I feel something in here that's squishy. Please don't be a dupe. Please don't be a dupe. Please don't be a dupe. Tater tots! I got a new one. That's the tater tots. I have the hash browns, shredded hash browns, I think. I got some sushi. Some fresh sushi. I just dropped it and opened it. My bad. Okay, that's new. Last one. Let's just hope this is new and not a duplicate. It feels like fish. It's broccoli florets. What the heck, man? Okay, so I got 2 broccoli florets in the same. I mean, not the same. It's 2 of them, but broccoli florets. Cheese pizza, Philadelphia cream. That is cream cheese, I think. We got the kombucha. I don't know how to say it. We got the singles, mac and cheese, and we got the milk. But y'all know what we had. Oh, and we have the Holy Pop. I think I already had this. And I think these are all my new ones. I don't know about this. I have to see. And I think I have this already. We're gonna see. I'll be right back and I'm gonna go get my fridge. I'm back and this is new. Okay, so I'm gonna check if that one is new or okay, this is a duplicate. And this is a duplicate. So that means I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of those 2 capsules. 2. That's crazy. Okay, so first we got some sushi. That's gonna go in here. Second, we got some juice. And what is this open? Okay. That's going in here. And this is a duplicate. We got a duplicate, guys. Duplicate. And the last thing go down inside of my freezer. It's in my freezer. That was it for today. I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Hope y'all have a great rest of y'all day. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.